Nuakhai is an agricultural festival mainly observed by people of our western Odisha. According to the calendar, it is observed on Panchami Tithi. It is also called Festival of Harvest. The word Nua means new and Khai means food, so the name means the farmers are in possession of the newly harvested rice. It is not just a festival, this is the most lovable festival of our western Odisha. In the morning, our mother and sister take bath. Everyone wear new dress and saris. They cook a lot of vegetable.
The head of our family worshipped God and Goddess. All the people of the home sitting together. Our mother and sisters give Nuachura to everyone. We salute Mundia to everyone after Nuachura. This time is proud moment for every members of our home.
After us, all the members of the house eat food.
I hope कि you all celebrate Nuakhai धूमधाम रे. Nuakhai.
Juhar, ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ